Welcome to this Getting Started guide to a link report function in Airt Excel Add-in. You may be familiar with edit links in Excel. In Excel 2016 you can find this on the data ribbon under queries and connections here. So this example file I have open, if we click on this, we'll see all the external links within the file. This is fine for summarising one file. The link report function within Airt lets you see how several files are connected. In this example we have 7 files with external links to each other. We already have file 7 open, let's open the rest of these. Okay, if we run the Airt link report, we'll see a summary of all external links for each of the files that are open. So we can see file 7 has external links to all these files. File 2 doesn't have any external links. File 4 links to these two. File 3 doesn't have any external links. File 1 has one link, and so on. Now if there are links to any files which aren't open, these will be shown here as red. So if we rerun this after closing 2 of the files, let's close 6 and let's close 5. And now we'll rerun the link report. We can now see highlighted which files are linked externally but aren't open, which will help our analysis. Hopefully you find this useful analysing any complicated file structures you have. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already done so, please download the Airt free trial.